guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. So I don't know why I'm yawning, but it is 11:50. Here is my new merch shirt, so I can't wait to put it up. Hopefully someone will rep it somewhere. Also, there's a big lion head in the back. If you've seen my last video, you would see it. It's just hard for me to show my back at the moment. But we're getting ready today to go get our booster. I hate needles, which is weird. I love tattoos. I just don't like blood work or injection needles, things like that. Yeah. So I have to go get Mark at work in a little bit, and both of us have an appointment. They're 20 minutes apart. Would be nice if they could take us in at the same time, but you're only allowed to go in 5 minutes before your appointment, which is okay with me because that's the less time I'm around people. I'm okay with that. So my premiere just come on. I uploaded it and posted it right away just to have it done and out there. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that and really enjoyed seeing the different things that I make. Hopefully there'll be a lot more stuff to come. Hopefully there'll be more merch. If anybody needs merch created, you can contact me. So I'm going to try to get... Actually, no, I probably won't be able to because I wanted to try to record us getting our booster, but since we have to go in at different times, I'm not able to do it. His is for 20 after 2, and mine is for 20 to 3. Yeah, so I'll let him go in by himself, even though he'll probably want me to go in with him, but unless I try to go in and they give it to us at the same time, maybe. I don't know. When I get home tonight, of course, I'm going to cook and whatnot. But I might try to make a few things tonight, I think. I really should have picked up more vinyl at my work because I like this gold color that's in the back of these hoodies. And I wanted to make a t-shirt with this on it as well. I know I should have put the YouTube emblem right beside it. I didn't do it. I still can, but I think if anybody ordered them, I would put it there. I have a bunch cut out already. My donkey mind, didn't do it. Should watch out what I'm doing here so my hand is not over the mic because the mic is in the bottom of the phone. So, yeah, let me get back to playing around on the computer here and get ready to leave in a little bit. I may touch in before that. Hey guys, what's up? So I did my booster. I'm sitting in my vehicle now. I'm waiting for a customer to deliver some stuff. Now that reminds me, let me pull the bag to the front. And I want to thank you guys too very much for all the feedback that I got on my video today so far. My phone hasn't stopped. Thank you very much. So, and it also gave me, I think, some new orders. And I got like a few followers, a few more people liked my page as well. So, Mark has gone home now. While I am in Dartmouth, so I'm in the city part, somewhat city. I don't call Dartmouth really city, but not compared to Halifax. But I'm just here waiting, enjoying my coffee. Going to make a phone call because I have a little bit left to wait, but for someone to get off work. Supporting my shirt, as you already seen. I really don't know what to say right now. I'm a little bit stumped on words, and I have people probably looking at me, and I'm so cockeyed in this parking spot. Like, I don't know how to back in. I do know how to back in. My camera's a little bit dirty in the back, so I can't see 100%. But, yeah, I look straight. No, I'm so crooked. I gotta fix myself. Now I'm straight. I know, there's snow. There. Now I'm straight. Now I'm all good. I wanted to make sure the guy that's in front of me didn't see me try to straighten up again. Oh, shoot. I'm a little bit better. Freaking good enough. I avoid all the chances possible at backing in. But this parking spot, I had no other choice but to back in. So, it is what it is. So I will touch back in with you guys in a little bit. Yeah, in a little bit. Hey guys, so I just got home and now I am deep frying some chicken. So I'm deep frying it in actual coconut oil. So it's all keto friendly with some yummy spices on it. So an update on the booster that we got today. My arm does not bother me at all, but I'm awful sleepy. So as you've seen me, I was making a delivery, waiting for somebody. And all the way home, I'm like, oh my gosh, please don't fall asleep. Please don't fall asleep. But my eyes are so heavy. And Mark is in the same boat. Aren't you, honey?
Yeah, I'm gonna fall asleep.
We're both ready to go to sleep. But it ain't no time for sleep, not yet. Because it's only 20 to 5. So that's why I wanted to get the cooking done and out of the way. So if I get sleepy, I can go to bed, which I probably won't because I think I'm doing a live stream tonight. So you would have already seen that already. But yeah, oh. My ice maker is out of water. It's telling me it needs a drink. Guys, here is my supper. This chicken turned out so nice. I can't wait to dig my lips and teeth into that. And I'm here watching Sam. He's wearing the shirt that I made for him, if you guys seen my video from yesterday. So here is my dessert, guys. So this is cheesecake, peanut butter, and swerve. I don't know what just happened to my camera, but it just got really bright. But anyhow, so just a few simple ingredients, something that is keto friendly, and it's so freaking good. Hey guys, good morning, and hopefully your morning is going well. I not that long ago got up long enough to drink half my coffee and just made a delivery. So now I am on my way to work. I look a little bit rough this morning, but what can you do with curly hair, right? So I just let it go natural. Wearing this sweater again today because I got to show my coworker, even though she probably already seen it on Facebook. But I love it. So I only have, well, like maybe 5 or 6 different hoodies, but there's 2 more that I'm making. 2 more that I'm making plus a crew neck one. So I don't know what I want on it. If you could think of anything, type it in the examples what I should have on a hoodie. One of them, one hoodie is red. The other hoodie is like a skin tone sand color. And then my crew neck is ash, so like gray, like grayish white. Just, it's been behind me at my desk for I don't know how long, and I can't think what to put on it. But hopefully something's to. Oh, I feel, even though I have like 6 different hoodies, I feel like I wear them over and over again. And I know I technically do wear them over and over again because I rotate between each one. I wear one for a few days and I wear another one for a few days, and it just seems like I always have the same one on though, so it's just weird. So let me drive to work. I am incredibly early, but that's me. But I had to make a delivery and I don't want to go home for like 20 minutes. So, gonna go to work, park outside, enjoy my coffee, and get ready for my day and wake up. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a grocery haul. I went and got some groceries today. Spent a little bit more than I wanted and still forgot something, so I have to go back. So, in this one bag alone, it's a Costco bag, so it's a little bit bigger. And then I got a package of toilet paper, a package of paper towel, and 1 package of meat is $170. Like, I got dog treats for Maggie, 2 2 bags of cauliflower rice. 2 things of my coffee, because I can't go without my coffee or my Starbucks. So the price of groceries is going up so much, it's just freaking crazy. Pretty soon you're not going to be able to afford to eat. This is bacon bits, and it's only 567 grams, $16.99. Am I crazy for buying it? Yeah, probably, but we put it on our salads, we put it in our eggs, we use it so much. I got 2 packages of Caesar salad mix. I am like crazy over Caesar salad right now. I got 2 blocks of old cheddar cheese, which was 2 for $10. I got a bag of shredded cheese because we put this in our bacon, and I put it on my meat, and I put it on everything. Like that Frank's Red Hot sauce, is it? Put that shit on everything? Yeah, that's me. So that's $12.99 for that. And 2 packages of Top Dog hot dogs, because they were on 2 for $11. It's just quick things that I grab right quick for a snack. And it has no carbs. So that's why I tend to buy that. And then this package of chicken, it was actually on sale. So it was $12.13 for 4 chicken breasts. So there. So we got enough meats for the while. Maggie has enough treats for a little bit. And I got some Gatorade Zero as well. I don't think you really need to see Gatorade Zero. It's just bottles of Gatorade. But now I have to go do some work in my office because today is not a good day. It's, oh yeah. And my mushrooms. So I just had shit happen today. Shit happens. I always say, God is not going to give you something that you cannot handle. And everything happens for a reason. And oh boy, did it fucking happen for a reason. But anyhow, I'm going to think positive. I am going to keep pushing as hard as I can. So yeah, life is going to be good. I'm not going to stress over what happened. I'm not going to be sharing it on here as well. There's certain people that know. That's it. But it's going to be a good day anyway. Because I'm going to get some shit done. So I'm going to go work in my office, make some things, fulfill my orders I need to do, and go from there. Guys, this is where I am right now. This is our locally keto shop. So I just went in there and dropped off a bunch of mugs that she's trying to sell for me. I just picked up the Christmas ornaments I had there. I'm out of breath and I look so rough, but trying to get so many things done. I did buy myself some treats, and then 1 bag is my Christmas ornaments that I had there. I did sell a few, and a few people messaged me directly to get things done. So it was kind of nice. Make sure there was no one beside me like watching me. But yeah. So there was somewhere else I was supposed to go, and my short-term memory loss is I know where I gotta go. I gotta go pick up more supplies. So I will see you when I get home. It's freezing rain and windy so bad. And it's slowing down because I'm recording, right? Of course.
Moments, maybe even this one.
So guys, this is the kind of weather we're getting right now. It's freezing rain, and it snowed quite a bit so far. So I just wanted to end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and come back for my next one. Also check out my shorts that I took of the freezing rain, and I'll show you in my next vlog how much snow we get tomorrow.